Check this. Don't follow the noise, follow the need. While everyone is running towards AI, learning ChatGPT, coding, animations, Lowe's, BlackRock, and some of the biggest institutions in the world are quietly pouring millions of dollars into training plumbers, electricians, and HVAC techs. Now, let me ask you a question. Why would the smartest money in the world be investing in jobs everyone told you to avoid? Stay with me because this ain't about the trades. This is about positioning. One thing that I've learned in 35 plus years of business, money leaves clues. And right now, the money is screaming something most people are missing. Lowe's is funding trade training programs. BlackRock is investing in the infrastructure and workforce development. States are pushing millions into skilled labor pipelines. Why? Because we've got a problem, people. There are millions of unfilled skilled trades jobs right now in this country. Not thousands, millions, and it's getting worse. Why? Because for the last 20 to 30 years, we told an entire generation, go to college, avoid blue collar work, and sit behind a desk. So now you've got a system where demand is rising for these positions, supply is shrinking, and no one's coming to replace the workforce. So let me translate that into business language for you. That's not a job market. That's a pricing power opportunity. Now, why AI can't touch this? Let's deal with the elephant in the room, AI. Everyone's scared of it, everyone's chasing it, but let me explain something real simple. AI can replace tasks. It struggles to replace environments. An electrician doesn't work in a controlled setting. Every project is different. Every problem is different. Every situation requires real-time judgment. So you have physical constraints, safety risks, code compliance, and liability. And most importantly, you have to have trust. Because when your power goes out or your pipes burst at 2 a.m., you're not calling a chat box. You're calling someone who can show up, diagnose, and fix it. Let me say it this way. AI can write code, but it can't crawl under your house. Now here's the real opportunity. A lot of people out there are going to miss this play. This ain't about becoming a plumber, electrician, or HVAC tech. This is about understanding where the market is going. When supply drops and demand rises, prices go up, respect goes up, opportunity goes up. We are entering a time where blue collar is becoming premium work. I'm talking about 100K, 200K, 300K incomes, business ownership opportunities, and recurring service revenue. And here's the real kicker. Most of these businesses are still fragmented. Now, what that means, it means that they're not owned by institutions yet. That's why the money is moving in early, because whoever controls the labor, they'll control the pipeline. And whoever controls the pipeline, they control the money. Now, here's the rebuild principle of this episode. This is much bigger than trades. The people who win in every era are not the ones chasing the hype. They're the ones positioning themselves where demand is guaranteed. Everyone wants to be where it's exciting. Few people want to be where it's necessary. But the money always flows to what's necessary. That's why garbage gets picked up, lights stay on, water keeps running. And the people who make that happen, they get paid. In closing, while everyone's trying to build the future, just understand this. Real money is going to be made by the people who keep the world running. And if you can position yourself, not where the attention is right now, but where the demand is guaranteed, you won't have to chase the money. Money will start chasing you. This is The Rebuild, and I'm Les Allen. If this episode spoke to you, please subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share it with someone you love or care about. Until the next episode, remember that respect is the only currency that does not lose its value. Stay sharp, stay respected, stay rebuilding. Peace.